Hello, welcome back to Mark's Garden UK at Rose Cottage. I'm still in the wildlife pond. The pond liner is arriving in the next couple of days. This fancy piece of kit, which looks like a satellite that's landed from Mars, is actually a laser leveler, and I'm using this to find a level on the ledges around the edge of my wildlife pond. I need this base level here to be the same all the way around the perimeter of the pond, so that these big boulders that you can see at the back sit on it, and then hopefully the water level will come halfway up the boulders. That's the theory. Now, I was using a series of pegs on my spirit level all the way around the edge of the pond, and it was working, but it was quite a long-winded method. However, then a neighbour came to the rescue and lended me this piece of kit. It's a laser leveler. What I like about this, it's got this tripod on, and it's got a series of different controls here that you can use to level this platform. Then, once it's level, you switch the laser on and you just spin it round, and it allows you to put, with pinpoint accuracy, a laser dot all the way round the edge of the pond, and that's what I'm doing now. So if I switch this on, and by the way, you're better off doing this on a cloudy day or before the sun comes up, you can see the laser beam as it lands on the earth. This is good to up to 30 meters apparently. Now I'm looking at it here and I can see it all the way around the edge. So I'm watching that laser dot go all the way around there, and that will give me, because I've leveled it up here, a perfect level to work to. Then all I need to do is find the dot over there, give it a little spray, and I know that that's the level I need to come down to. And if I do that with a series of dots all the way around the outside of this pond, I'm guaranteed to have a level platform to place my boulders. Now there are different types of these laser levelers. I know that because my plumber used one similar to this to level my bathroom floor, and the one he used had a laser beam in a plane that went all the way around and actually put a horizontal line all the way around. They're not that expensive, these. I've been lent this one and it's a brilliant piece of kit. I like experimenting with things like this. But they're not expensive. I'll put a couple of links to these in the description box below this video so that you can have a look at them. And if you want to buy one, of course, if you click through my link, I do earn a commission. And if you're using a pin dot laser like this one and you're struggling to find out where the beam actually lands, there's a simple solution. Take a dark object, look at the beam on the dark object, and follow it along. It's really straightforward. And I know now that that beam lands right there where I've marked. And by performing this simple exercise, I can now see that I just need to take a small slither away from here, and that's what I will now do, and I will end up with a lovely level ledge for my boulders to sit on. Please do subscribe, hit the notifications bell, because I'm about to fit the pond liner, and then we'll be harvesting rainwater to fill the wildlife pond, and eventually we'll be putting pond plants in. I'll see you soon.